How to solve buffering issues in Twitch app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to solve buffering issues in Twitch app. So now let's get started. First of all you need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can also try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Another thing you can do is lower stream quality. Tap the video settings icon on the stream and lower the video quality, example from 1080p to 720p or 480p. If it doesn't work, try clearing the app cache. First of all, go to settings and search for apps. Click on it. And here on the app section, search for Twitch. Now tap on Twitch, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now at the bottom, tap on Clear Cache. You can also try updating Twitch app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Twitch app by updating it from the App Store or Google Play Store. After updating, try to restart the app, close the Twitch app completely and reopen it. You should also close any other apps using data or Wi-Fi in the background to free up bandwidth. After doing these steps, it may fix your buffering problems. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.